Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of memory upgrades with the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro DDR4 3200. Let me tell you, this kit packs a punch. With 32GB of memory spread across 4 modules, it's ready to handle anything you throw at it. Let's talk aesthetics first. The Vengeance RGB Pro doesn't just give you top-tier performance, it's also a showstopper with its dynamic multi-zone RGB lighting. With 10 ultra-bright LEDs per module, your rig will be the envy of all your friends. And with Corsair's ICU software, you can sync up the lighting with other Corsair RGB products for a seamless, synchronized setup. But looks aren't everything, right? Absolutely. That's where the custom performance PCB and tightly screened memory come into play. These features ensure not only the highest signal quality, but also extended overclocking potential. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore overclocker, the Vengeance RGB Pro won't disappoint. Speaking of performance, this kit is optimized for peak performance on both Intel and AMD DDR4 motherboards. So whether you're rocking an Intel 300 series or the latest AMD X570 chipset, you can count on the Vengeance RGB Pro to deliver maximum bandwidth and tight response times. In conclusion, if you're looking to unleash your PC's full potential, look no further than the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro DDR4 3200. With its stunning RGB lighting, top-notch performance, and overclocking capabilities, it's the perfect upgrade for any gaming rig or workstation. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.